This is the 2022 range of motorhomes from French luxury manufacturer Le Voyageur. This is their LV, Le Voyageur, 7.5 CF, cost nearly 150,000 quid, euros, sorry, not quid, euros. And this is what it looks like inside. Right, so this is a brand of Pilote, as is Frankia. This is priced a little bit cheaper than Frankia, and you're thinking 150,000, and it's cheaper, right? Because cheaper doesn't mean cheap, it means it costs less, and this does undoubtedly cost less than Frankia, and I don't really think it has the charm that Frankia offers. But hey, they're both Pilote brands, so they're owned by this same company. Now, as it's a French company, it does have this sort of Mediterranean look to it. And that means the use of colours such as white. You see, particularly for use in France, Spain, Italy, those markets, the white is very commonly used. This vehicle here has also got a double floor, which I shall now demonstrate. Pilote uses these things here to open, which I don't think they're particularly good. Bit of electronics. You can see how deep the double floor is there, though. That must be about what? Ooh, almost 20 centimeters, probably 20 centimeters in depth. So that's quite good. 2 burners, which is the in thing in 2022. And there's your sink. Nice large sink. Sensible sort of shape for getting as much in there as possible, and you got stacks of space here for doing food preparation, which I think is a good thing. You might think it's a complete waste of time, but I think it's a good thing. Yeah, got some drawers and more drawers. Oh, we got 2 bins there. Now, 2 bins was the in thing in 2019, so you can see how things are sort of developing. So this bed up here, I'm not going to demonstrate it because I have to put the chairs down. I was doing a video 2 days ago and I thought I'll just demonstrate the bed and trying to get the chairs to go down using one hand. I learned that I can't do it. What happens is you've got to put the chairs up like that now, and you've got to put it down so it comes down like that. Right, so you press a sort of a lever and the chair comes forward. But I can't do it with 2 hands, so with one hand, so, and the other one holding the camera. I will, however, show you how big the table is, assuming I can't do this with 2 hands. There you go. There's an enormous table in the middle of the van. This one's on a Fiat automatic, on the table moves as well. I've seen the table moves. This is on a Fiat automatic gearbox. There's your fridge. As that fridge is still in its packing, I'm not going to open it or touch it. However, I will show you what's in there. There's something. These things are also used in the Pilote vans, which cost about 2.5 times less than this one. There's place for your television, and of course this will also come out like that. Alright, so just a quick look at this van. Very large battery there, very good. I like to see large batteries, I'm into large batteries. Here we have a place for the gas. There you go. And what's in here, I wonder? So there you can see the double floor in action, so to speak. So double floor, well, I mean, this price level, it would always come as standard, I think. Let's move to the back. An enormous garage, which I think takes 300 kilos of weight. I think I said, I didn't say it did for certain, so don't pack 300 kilos in it, then it crashes and then sort of blame me or the dog. So, Right, let's have a look at one or two of the other vans they've got here. We can go over to this one here, Le Voyageur Heritage, which is an LVXH 7.9 CF at a price of over 170,000 euros. Slightly different style inside, as well as having a completely awful name, LV Le Voyageur. Can't remember what the rest was, X something. Queen bed at the back. Queen bed will go up and down, so you want it high like it is now. Gives you space in the garage, and you can get these stuff, access that better as well. Very nice shower, toilet in here, plenty of space in the shower as well. Look at all this, look at all this. And please note my t-shirt for today, Zimna Woda camping near Bydgoszcz, Poland. Great place to visit. Video shall soon be coming up. This is the old Mercedes, but you know, it takes a while to do these motorhomes, so that's understandable. Right, let's walk down here a little bit and see these ones as well. LV 7.5 JGF, what an awful name. 142,000 euros. It is, what's on it, 4.5 tons basis. Sorry, this doesn't weigh 4.5 tons. I think this would weigh about, I don't know, 3,700, something like that, at a guess. Empty, so it does give, you know, maybe 6, 7, maybe even 8. I don't think 800 kilos of payload, but 600, something like that, 700. Right, single beds. This is not a German layout. To me it looks as though I haven't finished building it, but anyway, that's my opinion. Let's have a look in here. LV, the Voyageur 7.8 CF, costs 151,000. Nice big battery again. I can hear footsteps. Very similar approach here. Double bed at the back. And okay, 6.8 LF. Now, if I remember rightly, in Stuttgart, for the 2020 version, I quite like this one. It is 127,000 euros. I know the reason I liked it. This is the one. It's got an enormous kitchen in it. That's where the bed is. You've got all of this space here, enormous table, usual fridge, 2 burners only, but look at all this space up here. Yeah, I find this van rather attractive. We can move this one thing up here. You got all of this space, and in here the bathroom toilet is pretty large, and that, I think, is a nice motorhome. Got lots of space to lounge around in, wash yourself in, and indeed I'll show you the fridge, seeing as somebody's bouncy didn't show the fridge, so I'll show the fridge. There you go. There's the fridge shown. This is the cheapest one, and of all of them, this is my favourite. Because it's got the design I find rather... Mind you, I do like a fixed bed at the same time, we'll have to point out. But, yeah, I like the unusual look. It wouldn't be for me, so, I mean, it's not... In fact, it's my favourite of their designs. It doesn't mean to say I would want it for myself. Right, let's have a look in this one. Attic gas cupboard. This one's a 7.9 GF, costs 175,000 plus. Once more, 2 burners in the kitchen and single beds at the back. And I'll finish off with this one here, Le Voyageur Classic, 7.8 JGF, once more, costs in excess of 150,000 euros. And this one here, it's got a same bed, same kitchen, same beds here. So that is the, well, it's not entirely the collection, but you can see how many vans there are, and we've just seen 7, and they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 17. They've got 21. So, but I'm sure that that's a good sample of what there is to see. Right, so thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that of some interest, and if you did, then you might want to say I found that very interesting, although I prefer Tosh's videos. You may as well just tell the truth. So thanks for watching, and all the best from Dusseldorf.